watching the arm. Why listen to this? I don't want to give away anything too soon. I do want to introduce you guys to Jordan. Jordan Jordan. Jordan is the owner of Super Tuner. You guys have seen us wear a lot in the past couple months. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you guys too much, but we are working on something together. I'll give you more details in the future. It's going to be fucking awesome. I've never quite done a collaboration piece before, let alone a whole entire collection, but what we have coming up is super awesome. I really love the Super Tuner style, and I really have some really good ideas packed away. This collection is going to be extremely limited, and I think we're airing to release it in about a month and a half, sometime mid-April, so that's when you can expect to hear more information about that. I'm showing your car.
Don't show it.
I'm gonna blur it.
Okay, you can blur it.
You haven't showed it yet?
Not till Monday. I want to take the weekend and make like this crazy video of it. Like I want to take it to the canyons and make a gnarly video. If you want to come.
I want to see it. It's so good. Oh, it looks so good. A couple days ago, we got a new front bumper and side skirts for the S2000, and if you remember correctly, we dropped those off at Paint about 3 days ago. It is now 3 days in the future.
Yeah.
The shop is now ready for us to come get them. They finished spraying them, so we're gonna install a new front bumper and some skirts, baby. Cannot wait for that. It's gonna look so good. What?
The shop just called?
No, they didn't.
The shop just called?
They didn't call.
Said that they're closed.
Oh, did they say you're closed?
They close at 3 and there's not enough time to go get it.
Pal, do not make me get the breaking news crew to out you. Don't make them expose you for lying on the phone. Show me. Show me. What? Oh, you can't.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay. All right. Yeah, okay.
Today's pickup is brought to you in part by Alex. Here's his Instagram. Go follow it and say thank you. We're going to steal his Jeep to go pick up the front bumper and side skirt. Shout out to Alex. Yeah.
Alright, good luck.
You think that will close? We've secured the pieces. Now time to go back and install the Hot Boy points, baby. So the paint came out really good. The color is really good.
I'm gonna give him my seal of approval on TJ's sanding ability over here. It looks fucking nice.
Feels great. It's super smooth, looks good. There's some minor pits. It's pretty minimal, so I'm okay with it. It looks great. Let's go grab the canards, get those on, and then test fit the bumper on the car. Well, I've already test fit the bumper on the car.
Final install.
It's time to get to work, boys. Alright, so we just finished putting the canards in. They look killer. I really like them. They're pretty subtle, which I like. And from far away, you almost don't notice them. It's odd. Like with the black carbon fiber contrast on the light blue, I feel like it would stick out pretty hard, but I think because they're so shallow and so like thin, they really kind of sit in with the bumper. You don't really notice it because there's a lot of shadow casting on this face of the bumper. It looks killer, it looks great. Calvin's finishing up that side, and then we're gonna throw this up on the car, see how it looks for the first time. Kicking bolts.
Hey man, I took that bolt out.
All right, 1 hour later, now that the front bumper is off, it's time to put the C West N1 front bumper on. The moment we've all been waiting for. What do you got?
This shit.
What do you got, Cal?
I got it right here.
Oh, you're gonna put a clip through that? Just a little fasten clip. How sick is that? The bumper goes all the way to the radiator.
And how
it goes
sick-
all the way back.
How sick is that? You're so lucky you didn't make that bet. You're so lucky that I stopped you from making that bet. You would, your dick. There's not much more you could reveal after your underwear, you know?
Air dam for days. Next on the list is the side skirts. These are relatively easy to install. It's literally just 2 bolts on the front and rear fenders. We're gonna have to play around with the fitments a little bit because it looks like it warped a little bit, or maybe we didn't notice it initially, but we might have to do some altercations, make it fit flush, but let's find out.
Damn. Whoa! Oh!
It looks really cool, Teach. Oh, it looks sick.
Yeah, like the front bumper.
Infinity, like, going in there. It's a good front bumper.
You just. Who eats kiwis like that? Who eats kiwis like that?
Dude, savage.
Thumbs up to all my kiwi hole eaters.
Oh, he just mouthed the whole kiwi. Are you kidding me? Dude, I've never once eaten a kiwi whole like that. I always cut it in half and
It's
use a
not
spoon.
bitter, it doesn't taste bitter. It's a little fuzzy, but like you could get over it after a couple kiwis.
I want to take it outside because I want to see how the paint matches the rest of the body out there. In here, it looks like the front bumper and side skirts have like it's a little more purpley color. And the thing is too, when I dropped it off at the place, they took my gas cap for reference to like make sure they got the color right. Like that, they took my actual gas cap and it still looks a little bit off. And I know when you get your car painted, especially when you get like just a front bumper painted or skirts painted, they do their best and it's not always gonna be 100% the same, but I don't know, I wanna see it outside. My overall consensus, I love it a lot. I love it more than I originally thought I would. I feel like the skirt style that like just adds on top of the side skirt and you can see like the physical add-on, the physical like addition, if that makes sense. I've never really been the biggest fan of that, but as I've been going back and looking like early 2000 S2000s and looking at other body kits in that era, especially in the Honda scene, it's very popular and it started to grow on me a little bit. So I will have to say the side skirts really did grow on me. The paints look better in the natural sunlight, but for whatever reason inside that warehouse, it looks a little off, but the front end is very aggressive. I'm super stoked on it. Those front canards are gnarly.
You know what these are? These go between your side skirt and your door well, and it's sticky. It's better than nothing, dude.
Okay, well, I wasn't sure. This came in the...
It's even black too to blend with all of their trim.
Why are you trying to out me like that,
Dead giveaway, dude.
Why are you trying to out me like that?
Hey, I didn't find them either, dude.
Where'd you find these?
With the instructions.
I'm putting it on my car, it's mine now.
No, these are not yours.
They're mine now.
They're not yours. They're not yours.
You don't even know what they are.
I do now, baby. You should have kept your mouth shut. The fitment on the side skirts is okay. We're having an issue on this side, which those double side sticky tapes might help. But there's a bit of flaring on this side, which we don't have on the other side nearly as much. The other side's pretty flush. We were trying to find a way to maybe like put a fastener about right here, just kind of hold it shut, but we weren't able to think of anything right now. But just for the sake of getting them on, because I was so excited, I kind of rushed and I was like, oh, I'll figure it out later. Which with those things that Calvin just found, I'm definitely have to figure it out later, but it's awesome. It looks really good. Sabrina is gonna love it when she sees it. Unfortunately, she couldn't be here today. She was at work. She was like, go ahead, get it done. I want to see it, and I am in love. And I will say, the blue interior has grown on me 100%. When did I fall in love with this car so much? I've never really been that attracted to them too much. I really haven't, but since Sabrina's got one and I've been working on it, I'd say it's every video. I absolutely love it. I don't see this front bumper too much, and that's why I think I'm so stoked on it. I just love how far that goes in. and I actually ordered some pieces. So earlier when we got this, I told you guys there were some side pieces that you can get for right here and on the other side. They didn't have them in stock, but I actually talked to the guys in US in Japan, and they started to make me some sizes. They don't make them anymore apparently, and they don't have any in stock, so they're actually making me a custom pair right now that is going to be carbon and is going to match the canard. So it's going to be a special feature that they haven't done before, and they're gonna knock it out for me. So I'm super happy about that, super appreciative, and just all around, wow. Sabrina's car is like the coolest one of all of us. Like that blue interior, what, like that, I don't know, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna stop just drooling about it because you guys are probably getting sick and tired of hearing it, but god damn, that car's cool.
Yeah, I had a dream with you and you was waking up with me, but this ain't love, you see it's different than you thought it would be. Better keep you closer, hoping that you're gonna hold up. Give me time, I'll take a second and we roast this blunt. I ain't high yet, fuck what your type is. Baby girl, the only one who knows just why I'm like this, yeah. Not really different, so silly, why the distance between us, I'll never give in. Hold up, what's the difference, yeah? Got me tripping on some dumb shit, running back and forth before I forget how to function. Where the love is, I don't really notice. Keep my focus forward, flowing over. Brush your shoulders off, lady, before they push you over. Never to think of you when I be on endeavors. Never gonna let it up as long as we be here together. True, only a piece of what I got for you. So when they ask about
I just filmed like a 5-minute clip, and the mic switch was stuck between half on and half off, and none of it recorded at all. I feel like an idiot. You think by this point I would know to not fuck that up, but somehow every time I manage to screw it up. And I know I put title text on all of this up to this point, so you already know what I said, but I'm hyped on these Yeezys. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out and keep moving forward.
and I'm feeling